Legal dictation 60 words per minute. Start. Gentlemen of the jury, it now becomes the duty of the court to instruct you as to the law governing this case and what I shall say to you on that subject. You must be governed by the court presides at the trial of an action for the purpose of, among other things, determined the law in the case and advising the jury as to what the law of the case is and also passing upon objections to evidence which may be offered in support of the issues joined and seeing that improper evidence is excluded from the jury's consideration so that they may readily see the issues and apply the evidence that is adduced in support of the issues or to contradict the issues. The jury or the judges of the facts, and with the jury rests the determination of what the facts in issue are. It is peculiarly the province of the jury to determine from the evidence and the natural and logical inference to be drawn from the evidence what the facts involved in the case are, and by other verdict they determine the facts, and with their finding the court has nothing to do except as I have heretofore said, to see that they are properly instructed and only consider proper evidence. If the court, in making any ruling during the trial of this case, has said anything from which the jury infers that the court has any opinion as to how this case ought to be decided, I now charge you to disagreed what the court said in that behalf. Stop.